Okay. Good morning, student. MCQ revision. We will continue. In starting, 8 points I'll clear. If you have any doubt, raise your hand. You can ask the question. In second chapter, geometry, 8 points. Very, very, very important. For proof also, for calculation also, for MCQ also. Which are 8 points? Opposite to 30. Ulta pulta 2 formula. Opposite to 60, also reversible 2. Opposite of 45, also reversible by 2. Formula related square, formula related equilateral triangle. This 8 point first I will explain that how they are using this 8 point in MCQ. Sixty, 30, 90. 60, 30, 90. 60, 30, 90. 30, 90. Opposite to 30 is half of the hypotenuse. Opposite, side opposite to 30, half of hypotenuse. So you can say AB is equal to half of AC. Now here suppose hypotenuse is given 12. So half of 12 is equal to 6 units. Now suppose this is given 4. Again, side opposite to 30 is half of the hypotenuse. Now PQ is half of PR. Now this is given 4. Cross product. This same rule they can ask in two ways. Hypotenuse is given, opposite to 30 is half of the hypotenuse. Opposite to 30 is given, that is half. 4 is half of what? 8. So rule will be the same, formula will be the same, but here you have to make half, here you have to make cross product, so double. Exactly same, 60. Opposite, side opposite of 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 time of hypotenuse. side opposite to 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. Now hypotenuse is given. Suppose it is 8 root 3. So AB opposite to 60, correct? Here opposite to 30, here opposite to 30, here opposite to 60. So opposite to 60 means AB is equal to root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse is what? AC. So root 3 by 2, 8 root 3. This will half, so 4. Root 3, 3. So it is 12 answer. Final answer is 12. Now, this is given, suppose 6 root 3. Opposite to 60 it is given. So PQ is equal to root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse side hypotenuse. So this is 6 root 3 by 1 root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse means PR. So PR invert PR 6 root 3 into 2 by root 3. Root 3 cancel. 12. So this you got 12. This you got 12. And here you got 6. Here you got double. So same formula. When hypotenuse is given, root 3 by 2. When hypotenuse we have to find reversible. Multiply by 2, divide by root 3. Otherwise, multiply by root 3, divide by 2. When opposite side is given, then multiply by 2, divide. So cross product, simple. In this, opposite side opposite to 45 degree is 1 by root 2 time of hypotenuse. Same side opposite 45 degree 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse. Now this is given, for example 7 root 2 it is given. So AB also side opposite to 45, BC also side opposite to 45, because both are equal and opposite 45. Hypotenuse is only one, AC by root 2. 7 root 2, root 2 cancel. So final answer is 7. Both are equal. Because isosceles right angle triangle 45, 90. Two angles are congruent, so two sides are congruent. And one is, so both are isosceles, but with 90. So isosceles right angle triangle. Now this is given, for example 3 only. Both are 3. So PQ is equal to QR is equal to PR divided by root 2. So this is given 3. PR divided by root 2, cross product. So this is 3 root 2. In isosceles right angle triangle, side is equal to hypotenuse divided by root 2. So hypotenuse is equal to side into root 2. So in both the way they can ask, they can give hypotenuse, find the side. They can give side, find the hypotenuse. No need to go for Pythagoras that x square plus x square is equal to 7 root 2 square. At that time also you will get the same answer, but long process and more steps, more calculation. Simple, do by rules. Opposite to 45, hypotenuse divided by root 2. And if you want the side, two equal sides, hypotenuse into root 2. Now for square, all the sides are S. Consider. In equilateral triangle, all the sides are S. Consider. Now side is equal to S. Diagonal, any diagonal, this or this. Now this is this type diagonal hypotenuse. So this is side into root. Remember the formula. Parameter of square. Parameter means sum of all the sides. That is 4 sides. Area of square. Side square. They will give this as that I will give the example. You have to find diagonal, parameter, area. Here side is equal to S. This is equilateral triangle. This is square. Now here height, this is 60, this is 60. When you will draw the perpendicular, so it is 90, so it is 30. So height is opposite to 60. Height is opposite to 60. So height is equal to side into root 3 by 2. Again parameter 1, 2, 3. 3 side. Area of equilateral triangle. Root 3 by 4 side square. Now say I'll calculate here with example. For this, suppose side is equal to 10. Suppose side is given 10 centimeter. Any one they'll ask in MCQ. So diagonal of square is equal to side root 2. So it is 10 root 2 centimeter. Formula substitution. Parameter of square 4 into side 4 into 10 40 centimeter. 10 10 10 10 40. Area of square side square 10 square, not centimeter, centimeter square. Now for equilateral triangle, this is for square. This example. Now side is equal to 9 centimeter. Height, that is opposite to 60. So directly you can write height of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 2 side. Root 3 by 2, 9. So this you can cancel. Half of 9 is 4.5 root 3 centimeters. So height, parameter 3 into side 3 into 9, 27 centimeter. Area of triangle root 3 by 4 side square root 3 by 4 into 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 81 half. It is divided by 4 means what? 4 part. Half of half. 81 half. 40.50 or 40.5 you can say. Again half. 20.25. So 20.25 root 3. This is centimeter square, sorry. So again, I just recall within 1 minute, we have discussed total 8 points. Opposite to 30 type, when hypotenuse given, find out opposite to 30. When opposite to 30 given, find out hypotenuse. For 60, opposite to 60 find out when hypotenuse is given. Find out hypotenuse when opposite of 60 is given. Opposite of 30 formula is different. Half of the hypotenuse. Opposite to 60 side is equal to root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. When it is that I have 45 or in a square, when you will draw one diagonal, so there are two isosceles right angle triangle. So side is equal to hypotenuse divided by root 2 and diagonal is equal to side into root 2. From that 1, 2, 3 part, we can conclude formula of square and writing equilateral triangle. For square, side is equal to S when side is given. Diagonal is equal to side into root 2. When diagonal given, divide by root 2, you will get the side. Parameter of square means sum of 4 sides. It is 4S. When parameter is given, divide by 4, you will get side. When area given, area is equal to side square. So take a square root. So that will be the side. Opposite calculation also. In equilateral triangle, when side is given, you can find out height of the equilateral triangle because height is a opposite of 60 in equilateral triangle. If height is given, multiply by 2, divide by root 3, that is side. And from for the parameter 3 into side, if parameter is given, divide by 3. And area of triangle, it is root 3 by 4 into side square. When area is given, invert this, multiply by 4, divide by root 3 is equal to side square. And make a square root, so you will get side. So like that, these 8 points are very, very, very important in this geometry chapter for MCQ. So we will see more example of that. Okay. Some examples are there. In a right angle triangle, opposite of 30 is how much? Simple question. In right angle triangle, opposite of 30 is how much? It is half of the hypotenuse. In isosceles right angle triangle, opposite to 45 is how much? Opposite to 45 is 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse. This geometric mean question In right angle triangle, from a right angle, suppose we will draw perpendicular on that. So how to find out that height? For that, there is a formula. BD square is equal to AD into AC, AD into DC, sorry. First part into this part is equal to square of this. This is known as geometric mean formula. So they will ask this, BD square is equal to how much? So it is AD into DC. In a different way they can ask. Suppose AD we have to find out. So BD square by DC is equal to AD. DC we have to find out. So BD square by AD. Next, in a rectangle, length and breadth are given. How to find out diagonal? (24 centimeter) is given length, 7 centimeter is given so find out this. In a rectangle, measuring angle B is 90 because each and every angles are 90. So by Pythagoras you can calculate. X square is equal to 7 square, 24 square. 7 square 49, 24 square 576. 575 plus 1, that plus 1 add here. So 50. 50 plus 575. 50 plus 575. How to find square of the number? 2 digit. For example, 24. Square. Take square of last number. 4 for the 16. Cancel one place in next step. Now take this into this into this. 4 to the 8 to the 16. Again cancel 1. 1. Then take square of this. 2 to the 4. So 6, 7. Suppose 37 square. 7 7 is 49. Cancel this place. 7 to the 14. 14 3 is 42. Again cancel one. 2 digit. 1 1 shift. 3 3 is 9 like this. (58) square. 8 8 is 64. This into this into this. 80. Then square of this. No need of calculator. Very fast you can do. One more. This is a Pythagorean triplet. That very important calculation I have given. The smallest round figure Pythagoras triplet is 3 4 5. Step number 1, smallest. Step number 2, odd number. This is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. That's it. Step number 1, write smallest Pythagorean triplet. Step number 2, write all odd numbers. Step number 3, do 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1, 2, 3 and write here. 1, 2, 3 right 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 here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 right here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 right here. 1 plus 2 plus 3 right here. So it is 1, 2, 3, third step. Fourth step. Next number 4 to 5, next number 12 to 13, next number 24, 25, next number 40, 41, next number 60, 61, next number 80, 85, 84, 85, next number. More than you can find out 15. So what is the total? 100, 112. Now 1, 1, 3, like that. And now once you know that which are the triplet, see how it is a very easy for calculation. I will select this, for example, middle one, where hypotenuse is given, that I am teaching. Both the time 61 is given. Here 11 given, here not given. Here 60 given, here not. This is X, this is Y. But by Pythagorean triplet, I know that 11, 60, 61. So here 60 is missing. I know the answer. By this method, I know the answer. 60, 61 is there. 11 is missing. I want 11. How? See, x square is equal to 11 square plus x square plus 11 square is equal to 61 square. This method you can apply when hypotenuse is given. So x square is equal to 61 square minus 11 square. I don't know the square of 11. I don't know the square of 11. I don't want to do the rough work also. So a square minus b square is what? A square minus b square is what? A plus b, a minus b. (61 plus 11, 72). 61 minus 50. 61 minus 11, 50. In this case, both the number you will get perfect square or both the number will not be a perfect square. When you will do this by my method, you will get both perfect or both not perfect. So make bigger number half, smaller number double. Means you are giving 2 factor to here. Means this is 36. Make this double, 100. Now it is a perfect square. 36, it is a square of 6. 100 is this. So you got 60 that we want. Suppose you don't want to do this half, this double. Do this double. 144. Do this half. किसी एक को भी हाफ करो, किसी एक को भी डबल करो. Again 12 into 5. So डायरेक्ट स्क्वायर करके भी एक मेथड है, एडिंग सब्ट्रैक्ट से भी एक मेथड है. उसमें भी वन हायर नंबर मेक इट हाफ, लोअर नंबर मेक इट डबल. That is also method. Or suppose you don't want to this half, make it double. When you will take this half, no, both are smaller numbers. See, it goes up. So 145, you must know that it is a square of 12. So, next. Again, same calculation because we know what is the answer. How to get y square plus 60 square is equal to 61 square. Y square is equal to 61 square minus 60 square. One time plus one time minus one time plus 1 to 1 and 1. Now in this case both are perfect square. So no need to go for this half and double, double and half. So this is 11 square, this is 1 square, square root, square root, square root. See, very easily you got this. So this is a best method for one more. Suppose you want, suppose this. So x square plus 40 square is equal to 41 square. X square is equal to 41 square minus 40 square. So total is what? 81. Difference is what? 1. Now suppose y square plus 9 square is equal to 41 square. So y square is equal to 41 square minus 9 square. One time plus, one time difference. So do by both the method. I will make this half. I will make this double. One half, one double. Or I will make this double. And I will make this half. So 5, 8, 10, 4. So these are lots of short method, short calculation method. In the exam, you can save your time, and with a less calculation, you can get perfect answer. And by this triplet method is the best method. It is not given in any textbook. ICSE, CBSE, IG, IB, SSC board. There are 6 board, 5 board in Maharashtra working in a different way. But you will not get this idea. So these are the old mathematics. From that what we have learned, we are trying to simplify for you people, that where we can attach, where we can mix up in between this link. So this type of the calculation, no, it is very useful during the time of exam when you will learn. And by one time you will not learn this. You need to do the practice, drill work. After drill work, no, at that time when you will do, no, at that time you will remind, yes, Vijay sir have told this to this type of the method. So otherwise it is difficult to make during the time backside last page to find out the square, multiply by multiply, and in that hot temperament, no, you will do silly mistake. Even a scholar students are doing silly mistake. So 61 square, you will find something different. Then if you will add and multiply, you will not find a perfect square number. So you will miss your answer. So by I have not done single calculation in a rough. Every steps I have shown in a fair. So let it be, if 1 or 2 steps will increase, but perfect answer you will get, and without more rough calculation. That is good. So try to adopt this. Slowly you can adopt. You in one day or by one example, you will not up to the mark. So that is very important. Side of equilateral is 12. Find the height they have given. Side is equal to 12. Height of equilateral is equal to root 3 by 2 side. So root 3 by 2 of 12. Half cancel. So height is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. Like that. Very good example given. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. It is given in the triangle. In the triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Which angle is 90 degree? So is equal to is given this. So this is a hypotenuse. in triangle there are three alphabet. So which alphabet they have used? They have used ABC. Remove this A and C. Which is remain? B. So B is 90. No need to draw the diagram. No need to draw the diagram. Hypotenuse is AC. Hypotenuse is AC. So it is opposite. So which opposite to that side? B. For example, xp square plus p z square